Welcome back to my channel, and in case of seeing my face first time, my name is Shanaya and I make videos about lifestyle, hair, beauty, fashion, pretty much on everything because I love making content and YouTube videos. I think today's video is gonna be a little bit long because I have so much to say. I think I'm getting talk active. It's a good thing, right? I don't know. Of course, as a YouTuber, I have to be talk active. Anyways, recently I saw a new launch of a product online and I immediately placed an order because I just wanted to try it, so I got it from Blinkit. This product has been blowing up internationally. I saw creator wearing this and it looks so pretty, and it's finally here in India. So let's see if this Maybelline Sunkisser Highlighter Blush live up to all the hype. I got this on Blinkit 2 weeks ago and have been loving it because literally it's so pretty. I feel like I just found a perfect product for the season. Let's see if it helps give that golden hour glow. Can't believe nobody's talking about the New Year find, but I think that's why I'm here. If I got a new product, means you guys will get full review, first impression of the product and my personal experience. I just want you guys to get the right information about any new product from me. If I feel pretty using any new product, I want you guys to feel pretty too. That's why I love to share every piece of information. Anyway, this is a highlighter and a blush. Really, this duo product specially created to give you that sun-kissed like golden hour glow. It is supposed to give you that prettiest glow. Like this multi-use product work as a both liquid blush and a highlighter, allowing you to create a variety of looks. It's sleek and classy. It comes with this type of applicator which is easy to use. Since I have a lighter skin tone, I will use Uptown Glow. Let's just dot it like this and then blend out with brush. It's so lightweight and super blendable. You can blend out with your fingers.
Let me get my glow up. Let me get mine.
Wow, look at this. Isn't it pretty? And let me show you in sunlight. This looks so beautiful. I mean, look at the glow. I'm glad I found out about this blush before summer days. You will definitely see me wearing this blush the entire season.
I bought it, got it, I flaunt it. Let me get that, let me get that, let me get that, let me get that. Let me get that, let me get that.
All are pretty shades, but how to find a perfect shade for your skin type? Let me help. If you are of a lighter skin type me, the Uptown Glow and a shade on will look nice. And if you are medium skin tone, do try Downtown Rush and a Midnight Simmer. And if you have deeper skin tone, then try Downtown Rush and Electric Bronze. Anyway, this is my suggestion. You can find out on your own when you purchase the product on any app. Just select the shade and swipe left on the pictures. One picture will appear. You will find two models with two different skin tone who wearing the same shade, and see which shade looks good on your type of skin tone. It can compete with high-end blushes like Rare Beauty and Charlotte Tilbury. Talking about the prices, it's affordable compared to others and gives similar results. It blends super easily and the golden hour glow it gives is just beautiful and long lasting up to 12 hours. Oh wait, I didn't mention that this product is available in 5 shades, so there are many choices. So let me know in the comment section which shade you like the most, and links I will leave in the description box below, so check out there. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in next one. Bye bye.